In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up UTM parameters for Facebook ads. Now, if you're new to this, UTM parameters might sound a bit technical, but they're just handy little tags you can add to your URLs. These tags help track how effective your Facebook ad campaigns are. By learning how to use them, you'll be able to see which ads are driving the most traffic and conversions. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your browser and go to Facebook Ads Manager. You can simply search for it on Google or use a direct link if you have one bookmarked. Once you're on the page, click on the button that says Go to Ads Manager. If you're not logged into Facebook already, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password, then click on Log In. After logging in, you'll be directed to the campaigns dashboard. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a create button. Go ahead and click on that. For setting up UTM parameters, you'll first need to create a campaign. When you're prompted to choose a campaign objective, select sales and then click continue. Now you'll see an option to choose how you'd like to run your sales campaign. For this tutorial, select manual sales campaign and again hit that continue button. Now shift your focus over to the new sales ad option. Click on that and you'll be able to start crafting the ad itself. Scroll down until you reach the tracking section. This is where we'll configure the UTM parameters. Click on build a URL parameter and you'll see several fields to fill in. Start with campaign source. Here, select the name of your site or platform you're advertising on, such as Facebook. Next, move on to campaign medium. For this, choose the appropriate name of your ad set, which helps specify what type of marketing medium the URL pertains to. After that, select the campaign name. This will typically be the name of the campaign you're running. It helps identify different ads under the same campaign umbrella. Now for campaign content, select the name of your ad. This field is particularly useful for A/B testing where multiple ads might have the same source, medium and campaign name, but you want to track which specific ad is more effective. Once you've filled in all these fields, click apply. This action integrates the UTM parameters into your ad, and now you're ready to track where your ad traffic is coming from and which ads are performing the best. And that's it, you've successfully set up UTM parameters for your Facebook ads. This is a tremendous step towards gaining better insights into your ad performances and optimizing your campaigns for greater success. Thanks for watching and happy advertising.